Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing Don Hits EA developed by Nestor Alejandro Chiariello. On the MQL5 Marketplace page, I can see that this EA, this is actually the MT5 version, but it seems to also have an MT4 version, which if you are interested in, you can just search for the MT4 version if you want to use it on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Meanwhile, this expert advisor is priced at 599 US dollars with version 1.0 currently listed and 5 activations available. As I scroll through the product description, the developer presents this EA as an aggressive multi-directional trading system designed to operate across all time frames and currencies. It is also described as having built-in drawdown control mechanisms to manage risk exposure during trading. Now, one of the key points mentioned is that the system uses a martingale-style logic combined with what the developer describes as multi-time frame analysis. The EA reportedly evaluates both lower and higher time frames to guide decision making and manage trade direction. Another important aspect highlighted is the idea of internal drawdown control. According to the description, the system is designed to intervene when drawdown conditions are detected, attempting to manage exposure while trades are active. All right, so moving further down, the EA is also described as an aggressive grid based system with cumulative defense mechanisms. Now, the developer explains that it can manage multiple market conditions simultaneously, including entries, exits, and trade layering based on internal logic. There is also mention of additional monitoring using internal indicators and volatility awareness. All right. Okay. So the system is said to evaluate market conditions before executing or adjusting trades, including awareness of news related conditions through API data. Now, moving into the features section, the EA includes several controls such as equity risk management, drawdown limits, maximum orders, maximum lot restrictions, and swap management. There is also a take profit updating function and additional protective layers based on RSI levels and volatility conditions. Now, let us transition into the backtesting section. The developer includes a warning that news API monitoring cannot be fully replicated during backtesting, which is an important limitation to keep in mind when analyzing historical results. Okay, so there are no specific recommended pairs or time frames highlighted as strict requirements, as the EA is described as adaptable across multiple currency pairs, including major forex pairs and metals like XAU, USD, and the rest. So let's just start by looking at some of the results that were displayed here on the marketplace page. Okay, here we are seeing a growth of 83.28% over 11 weeks. And I can see here reaching 200% in 1 year. Okay, so let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester as well. Let's see how the EA performed over the past 5 months in 2026. All right, so we are working with recent market data. We're testing done hits on Euro USD on the H1 time frame. And as for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server every tick modeling. Looking at the backtest results from an initial deposit of $100,000, we can see the total net profit made was $38.68, and then 15 trades were taken in total, Short trades were 9 with 77.78% win rate. Long trades were 6 with 66.67% win rate. And the largest profit was 11.13, largest loss 52.96. The average profit was 10.16 and the average loss was 18.27. So this shows me that the risk to reward ratio is bad, because on average, we can see that on average the risk to reward ratio, it's bad. It's like risking 2 to make 1, close to that. Actually, it's not exactly 2 to 1, but we can see the difference. The loss is almost double of the profit, right? So that's what I'm talking about. And when you put that side by side with the win rate, which is not exactly very excellent, it's not surprising to see just a little total net profit. Okay, so as I review the historical chart activity, the system appears to manage trades in a layered structure with multiple positions being adjusted over time based on market movements and internal logic conditions. The presence of greed and recovery style behavior can be observed through trade clustering during certain market phases. Okay, so now from a strategy perspective, the EA seems to combine aggressive entry behavior with ongoing position management, where exposure is adjusted depending on market movement and volatility conditions. The use of multi-level trade control suggests the system is designed to stay active throughout different phases of price action. Now, when discussing the historical backtest results, it is important to treat everything strictly as historical testing performance. This does not guarantee future outcomes, and actual performance can vary significantly depending on lot size, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, and user configuration. All right. So, given the aggressive nature described in the documentation, I would strongly recommend running extended testing periods and forward testing before considering any live application. Optimization and risk control settings can also significantly impact how the system behaves in different market environments. So overall, Dunhit's EA for MT4 and MT5 presents an aggressive multi-layer trading approach with grid and martingale-style logic combined with internal risk and drawdown controls. As always, proper testing and careful risk management are essential before using any system in live trading conditions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next review.